Hey everyone, how you doing? If you are new here, I'm Nicol Concilio and welcome to the video, y'all. Woof, girl, it is about 3,000 degrees in the valley today. No, realistically, it's about 100 degrees Fahrenheit, which means my beauty room is 115 degrees right now. I just turned the air on, but shit, girl, it's taking a minute for it to kick in over here to me. So if I look extra greasy and oily and dewy today, I am sweating like a pig because it's 100 degrees in my beauty room. So, you guys, woof! First of all, thank you so incredibly much on all of the love on $, my new single. It is available now everywhere on iTunes, Spotify, Tidal, all those music platforms. So make sure you go and check it out if you haven't. Thank you guys so much for always supporting me in my music journey. It's really exciting for me to be back into music. Like, I can't stop smiling like a little kid whenever I talk about singing. So yeah, thank you guys. Okay, so unless if you have been living under a rock for the past, I would say, week or so, there has been huge amounts of controversy around Jaclyn Hill and Jaclyn Cosmetics. I did receive the PR package. However, your girl was on vacation in Seattle with Riley's whole family, and I'm finally getting my package from UPS. I had to go pick it up, and shit has been crazy since I've been home. So I finally got to go and pick these puppies up, and I opened the package up right away, and let me tell you, I was shocked because I really didn't think, like, it's one thing to like see it online and another thing to physically hold the product in my hands. I don't have the PR box with me. I do have the lipsticks in a Ralph bag that I use to bring them out to my beauty room. I am not going to be trying these on today. I am not going to be swatching these today. I don't really feel comfortable after reading and seeing everything on the internet. I don't really feel comfortable applying them on my lips. I don't even really feel comfortable applying them on my body or my arm. I did do swatches on my hand, like really dug the product into my hands, and I sorted the products that were problematic for me versus the products that were okay. Now, this is a really shitty situation. Not only being an influencer and having to come on camera and basically expose these potential dangerous, harmful things, and it's also a shitty situation for the people who bought this and who are having reactions and who are having a less than stellar experience with their lipsticks. The first lipstick I opened up had 3 hairs poking out of it. Or I don't know if we want to call them hairs, cotton, whatever the hell it is. And I am going to try to zoom you guys on in to see if we can, even see these on camera, because I have a feeling with the beauty lights, it's gonna be really hard to see. I do really want to show you guys, there's like these like pores all over this lipstick. And this is the PR set, you guys. So, oh my God, this one was the really crappy one. So I'm putting that one over to the side. Oh yeah, this one had like a little film, like a center film on it. I also wanted to point out something with the formula is I did not have this lipstick up all the way when I swatched it on the back of my hand, and it made an indent in the product. So the lipsticks itself seemed to be a bit flimsy because I wasn't rubbing too hard. Like, I was just kind of like, you know, kind of swatching the shade, and it made an indent in the lipstick. Like, the packaging dug into the lipstick. So I definitely would say overall, oh shit, there's that film again. I didn't even notice on this one. I would definitely say overall, like, based off of, ew, this one I think I might be able to pull up on camera. Let me zoom on in for you guys. This lipstick right here, I'm gonna see if it shows up. Also, since I am having a difficult time getting this to show up on camera, I'm going to be inserting these photos. These are 110% photos that I have taken off of my iPhone with the proper lighting to see all of this kind of stuff in my kitchen. I even sent the photos to Here for the Tea so she can vouch for me that these are my photos. These are photos that I took. I don't know if you guys can see anything. I'm really trying hard here to get it to show up on camera. Unfortunately, it's not but there are 2 hairs, or whatever you want to call them, coming out of the side of this lipstick. Let me see if I could get this lipstick to at least show up. Now this one, okay, this is effing weird to me because this one I didn't even touch or swatch. It's a brand new lipstick. Like, I purposely didn't swatch this one because there was hairs coming out of it, and I got a little bit nervous because I was reading online that, you know, God forbid that these are mold. I really hope that that's not the case. But I don't know if you guys can see, this product has been touched and tampered with on the side. Like, I don't know if that's like old pack. Like, I don't know if this is just like an older product. Like, I don't know if this is an expired product. I did not swatch this. This lipstick is not swatched at all. Like, nothing touched. And there's like shit on the side of it that I can't explain for. Like, I didn't touch this lipstick like at all. So I don't know what even that is. But on top here, if you guys can see, oh my God, this is so hard to get to focus. There are those like little like holes, like a huge chunk is missing from the top. I don't know how the hell to get this to show up. I am trying so hard, you guys. Since I'm having a hard time getting this to show up, I'm just gonna have my editor insert photos, and you guys could see here the film on this one. Like, that freaks me out. Like, I don't know why that's there. I saw rumors online of it possibly being mold, which is terrifying. I've seen tweets all over the place saying that this is just like an old expired lipstick batch, which is also very terrifying. I'm gonna zoom you guys on out and kind of give you my thoughts on everything that's going on with this launch and my recommendations. Okay, so I'm going to have my editor insert all of the photos that I took right here over my face, however he wants to edit it. I let him have his creative freedom. I am incredibly disappointed in this launch. The way that the situation is being handled is completely horrifying and horrible, to be blatantly honest. I normally am a very supportive person, and I always try to look on the bright side of things, but there is no bright side to this, like right now. I was even debating, hang on girl, I got a powder. It is hot in here. I was debating on not even doing this video and just telling you guys I don't recommend them, but I think I owe it to you guys as an audience and also as a reviewer on my channel to really speak the truth and say that I don't recommend these lipsticks. There are horrifying stories coming out. I've seen people with like cuts on their lips with allergic reactions. I've seen some lipsticks that were gritty. I did not have any gritty lipsticks, which I also thought was interesting because I had the PR package. I did not purchase any lipsticks. I know Raw Beauty Christy did an outstanding video, so I definitely recommend you go and check out her video because it's highly informative and also shocking at the same time. I know that Jaclyn did say that there were the wrong type of gloves used. To me, that doesn't really make any sense because if you have quality control on a product, you should be able to catch that there are a lot of hairs in products. Like, I had at least 7 lipsticks with little tiny hairs or fibers or something, whatever it is in them. And I had a really good friend of mine, Sally, actually purchased the lipsticks, and she sent me her photos, which was included in our little slideshow, and she actually had really gritty lipsticks. I can't recommend these. I think it's dangerous. Like, I don't feel even comfortable putting them on my arm to swatch for you guys, let alone recommending them. I think if you have the product, you should do with it as you wish. I definitely don't recommend using it. However, whatever you guys decide to do, I'm also like just a little bit frustrated because our industry is so negative and so toxic to begin with that like the way that this is being handled doesn't help any of our situations here in the beauty world. You know what I mean? I really am hoping that we can get a proper explanation, a real explanation. I'm just so disappointed in this launch. And you know what? The formula, like when I swatched it on the back of my hand, the formula was kind of there. Like it was really nice and creamy, but there is definitely something wrong with these lipsticks. Hands down. Like the fact that even the PR lipsticks have something wrong with them. Oof. I want to apologize for not speaking out sooner on this. I know I was getting tagged in like a bajillion things on like big influencers not speaking up. I had every intention to speak up. I just had to go pick up my package from UPS. I don't know what to say other than WTF, and I really hope that we can get an explanation from from Jaclyn. I don't recommend these at all. I don't recommend to put them on your skin. I don't recommend to put them anywhere near your lips. Hopefully Jaclyn Cosmetics can do the right thing and issue refunds and issue a recall just in general. I am really sorry to the people that this did affect. Like, I know that these lipsticks weren't the cheapest or the most affordable, so yeah, I just really hope we're given answers soon. I don't have anything more to say than that I'm shocked. I do not recommend this. It's a little bit annoying I'm a little bit annoyed, like, to be completely honest, like, because I'm an influencer and this is my industry, and this is an industry that we all share together, and if one person messes up and does something crappy, it affects us all. Now, I'm not saying that like Jaclyn knew of this problem. I really hope that there is some type of explanation. But as an influencer, I'm really disappointed because it just really affects all of us. It really incredibly does. And I think by her not really saying anything is making things worse. I know that there is so much speculation about this, so leave me a comment down below what you guys think, what experiences you've had with the product. And again, I'm really sorry that this isn't like my normal positive bubbly self. This is a really serious issue and I don't feel comfortable recommending these like whatsoever. My lipsticks weren't even the worst of the batch and they were still shocking enough for me to be like WTF. I hope that this video was informative to you guys. I hope that even me just making this video will help make things right and help make things on a better path. And I really do want to see Jaclyn succeed. Like, I never root for anybody to fail. I just feel like there's always something with her launches. I don't know. I really hope the right thing is done here, and that's really all I have to say about that. I'm kind of like talking in circles now. Again, don't recommend them. Don't put them on your lips. If you have them, be very, very careful using them, and I don't recommend using them. So yeah, you guys, oof. Hopefully next video, let's get back to the fun things. I really want to try the numbers challenge. And also, if you guys are liking this like summer glowy look, let me know because I would love to give you guys a little tutorial on this. It was so easy and I used a lot of the ColourPop blush sticks. I'm like so itchy now thinking that these might be old lipsticks and like moldy. Like, I don't know if the rumors are true. I'm not a chemist. I'm not here to spread false information. It's just, I'm like, look, my arm is so red from me just like being itchy and like freaked out by this. Yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider subscribing if you like what you see, and hopefully we'll all have an explanation for this soon. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!